So, are we together? Learn to respect yourself. Do not demand for respect that you can't give yourself. Do not demand for respect that you can't give yourself. Respect is earned. Respect is a commodity that is not freely given, right? Ukanyora nasi pasi kuti what are my achievements in life? What are they? Degree, auna. Chikoro, auna. Business plan, auna. Bank account, auna. Driver's license, auna. Auna. The things, the monumental things in life, the actual defining moments of what we call achievements. Apana. Women, you need to understand kuti time waits for no one. Nguva aina munhu wainomirira. Eventually, you 20-year-old, you 21-year-old, you 27-year-old, right? Eventually, I want you to understand this and hear this clearly. Uchashita 50 years cheti. Uchida usingade. Whether you want to or you don't, no amount of Botox, no amount of liposuction, no amount of clean eating, uchashikta 50 years chete. Then what? What have you got to show for yourself? Kuti indakandiri hore singeti pataundi. I was ndakandiri hore rema koko chairo ndakandisingaiti inini hapana singaziye kana kuningi kwangu. Nyika yese tikeshera kudai soka na sekuru vari kukitsi yatota kumbudzi yadona uko vanotoziya. Women, learn to respect yourself, because 40 years muchadzibata, 50 years muchadzibata, 60 years muchadzibata, eventually you will become a grandmother. Nguva ichasvika chete, right? Learn to respect yourself. Give yourself tools. Give yourself tools that will build you into a powerful 50-year-old woman who's CEO. Being a CEO has got no expiration date. Being an degree, professor or PhD or master's degree has got no expiration date. Even at 50 years, you can be a master's holder. At 60 years, you can still be a CEO. At 70 years, you can still be a property mogul. But at 50, you cannot be an Instagram model, my friend. Just saying. If in case nobody told you this, just saying. I am just saying. I am just saying. At 50 years, I don't think you can be a well-versed Negrini. Hans low-key proud of OC from early. Thank you. As people are getting touched. I am here giving my motivational speech. This is not directed at any particular individual. Please do not drag me into messy conversations. Right? The only conversations I'm having is in the boardroom with other directors. That is the only time that I need to make myself available for meetings. I am just out here educating young people. 151,000 people follow me on my Instagram page, and I'm here to educate a fraction of those people that are below the age of 30, that make your decisions wisely. Be wise. Have wisdom. Bona, isana mena ndi tukuverenga mabuku bana. Mbira ndikuraketse tukuverenga mabuku bana. I'm not established and do not need your type of money. Nah. Panotonzi vamupapanonzi mimi varume musumuke. Ana maina ndi tinotosumuka. So I don't need nudes. I command attention by the fact that I employ over 200 people. I command attention because I'm a property owner. I command attention because I am even recognized Institute of Corporate Directors in Zimbabwe. I'm a corporate winner. So I don't need to globetrot. I don't need nudes. I don't need to be validated by such nonsense, right? No. Not even. I don't. Men like you can emasculate $3 hoes, but you do not emasculate 7-figure earning women like us. So to the left, don't even kind of my inbox made a mutombote hi, right? No, we don't. Women like me, women like me do not get by men like you. Nah, sorry. As you better say it, nah. You come here, you come and try and body shame me. My guy, I can afford liposuction, I can afford kuneswa magaro, I can afford, but I do not get validated by being an Instagram model. I do not get validated by nonsense like that. Women like me, men like you can't even slide into my DM. This is what validates me. All right. Institute of Corporate certify that Olinda Nkomo was elected as a member of the Institute of Corporate Directors with effect from 2021. Yeah. Hiya. And the husband walks in. Yes, baby.
What's our monthly BT bill?
For here? It's like £40 or something.
Ice comms?
Ice comms, I don't know. Ask, go into the account's email via the C drive. Yeah? Ish. Don't say this. Right. Guess what? I'm out here doing my own Instagram live motivation. This guy, Hell Commander, comes and starts trolling me. He says, imagine my nudes are Olinda circulating online. I'm telling him women like us don't get validated by manigri.
Why is it trolling?
I don't know. Accolades, baby. Accolades. Accolades. Auto creator file. Ask the PhD creator file.
The certificates list.
Thank you, baby.
Just now.
Okay, for cyber essentials.
Yeah.
Okay, let me have a look. See, educated men that can form an English sentence. Grammar come correct. Murumanga ita cyber essentials. Okay, tunat babanandi waite.
Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti noi now. Peshona kwete chindau. Zichiverengwa naye when you skimba no fumura no itama.